Innovation, quality, anticipation, organization, dynamism. Secovisa, Herpasur. More than 20 years leading initiatives in industrial installations and equipment, driving the sector, creating technology, implementing turnkey installations, offering comprehensive solutions to our customers. Secovisa and Herpasur, two strengths combined for achieving excellence and success, placed at the service of industry. Herpasur designs and manufactures stainless steel tanks for a number of different sectors of industry: oils, winemaking and distillation, food, chemical, biofuels. Herpasur has been designing, manufacturing and patenting its tanks and auxiliary equipment for almost half a century. All our manufacturing processes are carried out meeting the highest quality standards. Our tanks are welded with extreme consistency and precision, and this is what sets them apart. Welding is carried out by machine and with total penetration, using a special inert atmosphere welding process. Using the most cutting-edge machinery and the most refined continuous and mass production techniques, Herpasur creates solutions for various sectors of industry. Oil sector. Design and installation of complete plants for the reception, storage, transport and heat treatments of all types of liquids and oils. Winemaking and distillation sector. This accounts for 32% of our activity, since we're leading manufacturers of tanks for the winemaking industry. Our experience in this field has enabled us to make significant improvements to the equipment for manufacturing distilled spirits. Food sector. The experience of Herpasur's technical and manufacturing team means that the group is also a pioneer in the construction of tanks for the food industry. The tanks can be manufactured to any specification and finish according to the requirements of our customers. Chemical sector. Manufacture of reactors for the chemical industry, mixers and storage containers for the soap manufacturing industry, and storage silos for various materials and heat containers for liquefaction of gases. Biofuel sector. Mass production or in situ manufacture of tanks, installation of pipes, pumps and automatism systems, insulation. So by expansion, design and innovation, Herpasur has progressed and developed markets both nationally and overseas in Morocco, Jordan, Syria, Tunisia, Egypt, Argentina, Mexico and the United States. Herpasur has won the trust of its customers. Backed by its track record and experience, its commitment and dedication, by being ready and willing to advise on the best use and management of its products, by working efficiently, designing made-to-measure solutions for the numerous and ever-changing requirements of 21st century industry. Secovisa is a model company, the fruit of a great human team and solid experience combined. Located on a 3,500 square meter plot in Jerez de la Frontera Business Park, Secovisa has a large showroom where not only its machinery is on display, but also the complete operating lines it implements for different industrial processes. The technical department develops machinery manufactured in-house to meet the requirements of today's industry. Likewise, the R&D area generates a large volume of activity based on gathering and studying industrial processes and applying them to new fields. Secovisa manufactures, distributes and installs products for wineries, oil mills, the hotel and catering trades, stainless steel accessories, automation, grape harvesting machinery, hot and cold water generation tanks, metering equipment, mixer equipment, pumps, filter equipment, and much else besides, which enables us to provide comprehensive solutions for industrial equipment. Moreover, Secovisa has a highly experienced team of professionals in the field of manufacture, management, installation, and after-sales, which guarantees success for our customers. The company has developed projects throughout Spain and overseas, both in Europe and further afield in Africa and America. Secovisa's capacity for leadership makes it a front-runner, applying knowledge management techniques, shared models to ensure optimum personnel and company performance with the highest levels of guarantee. Our company's strength is built on 3 pillars: an excellent specialized human and technical team, extensive experience, and the solid trust our customers place in us. We create products which guarantee success and safety in times of change and innovation that occur at vertiginous speed and which demand creative, efficient responses. Secovisa and Herpasur, 2 strengths combined for achieving excellence and success, placed at the service of industry.